viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet, fruit shaped keychain designs ideas. Creating crochet fruit shaped keychains can be a fun and rewarding project. Here are some tips to help you achieve the best results. Materials and tools. Yarn selection. Use cotton yarn for durability and a nice texture. Choose bright colors to mimic the fruit. Hooks. Use a hook size appropriate for your yarn to ensure tight stitches and a sturdy final product. Stuffing. Use polyester fiber fill to stuff the keychains for a prim plus look. Stitch markers is a tool for keeping track of your rounds and amicrony projects. Tapestry needle for sewing pieces together and weaving in ends. Techniques. Magic circle. Start your keychain with a magic circle to create a tight, closed center. Stitch consistency. Keep your stitches tight to avoid gaps where stuffing might show through. Invisible decreases. Use the technique for a neater finish in decreasing rounds. Color changes. Practice smooth color changes to avoid abrupt lines, especially in designs like watermelons or oranges. Design and assembly. Shape and size. Keep the shape simple and small since they are meant to be keychains. Aim for 2 or 3 inches in size. Details. Use embroidery or small stitches to add details like seed, leaves or stems. Small beads can also be used for seeds. Assembly. Sew pieces together securely. Ensure that any small parts like a stem or leaves are firmly attached. Keychain attachment. Attach a small metal keyring or lobster clubs. Sew it onto the fruit using a sturdy thread or yarn to ensure it holds up to regular use. Patterns and practice. Patterns. Start with simple patterns and gradually move to more complex designs as you gain confidence. Practice. Make a few prototypes or refine your technique and adjust size or detail as needed. Experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment with different stitches or techniques to add texture and interest to your keychains. Maintenance. Durability. Make sure all ends are securely over it, and consider adding a bit of fabric glue for extra security on smaller pieces. Care: advise users to hand wash and air dry the keychains to maintain their shape and color. By following these tips, you will create charming and double crochet fruit-shaped keychains that are perfect for gifts or personal use. Crochet fruit-shaped keychain designs can be both cute and functional. Here are some ideas to get you started. Mini watermelon slice. A vibrant green and red design with teeny black seed details. A strawberry keychain. Red body with a small yellow seed stitches and a green leafy top. Pineapple charm. Yellow body with a textured stitch pattern to mimic the pineapple surface and green leaves on top. Orange slice. Half circle shape with orange yarn and white detailing to resemble the segment. Cherry pear. Two small red balls with green stem and leaves, connecting them. Banana. A small yellow banana with brown tips, either whole or as a peelable version. Apple. Red or green with a small brown stem and a leaf. Graph cluster. A bunch of small purple or green balls with a small green leaf. Lemon. Bright yellow oval with white and yellow detailing for the green and pulp. These designs can be made with basic crochet stitches and are great for practicing color changes and small details. Learning and inspiration. Tutorials. Watch video tutorials to learn new techniques and get visual guidance on tricky parts. Community. Join crochet forums or social media groups to share your work, get feedback, and find inspiration. Experimentation. Don't hesitate to try new ideas or combine different techniques. Crocheting is an art, and experimentation can lead to unique designs. Making and gifting. Presentation. Package your keychains in small, attractive boxes or purchase if you plan to gift them or sell them. Tags and labels. Add handmade tags or labels to your keychains, providing a personal touch and indicating care instructions. Sets. Create sets of fruit keychains. Tropical set with pineapple, coconut, decorations. Durability. Consider the durability of your design, especially if the keychain will be used frequently. Double check shape and secure all attachments. Weight. Ensure the keychain is lightweight, enough to be practical. Overstuffing can make it bulky and less functional. Safety. Avoid using small parts and could pose a choking hazard if the keychain is intended for children. Customization. Personalization. Customize keychains with details, small tags, or additional decorative elements, and teeny flowers or leaves. Seasonal themes. Make seasonal fruit keychains like pumpkins for autumn or berries for summers to keep your designs relevant throughout the year. By incorporating these advanced tips, you can create high-quality, detailed, and durable fruit-shaped keychains that stand out and bring joy to their users. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!